In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set your time manually on your MacBook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Apple icon up in the menu bar and then select System Settings. On the left panel, select the General button. And then on the right side, scrolling down, select where it says Date and Time. And on the right side, where it says Set Date and Time Automatically, click inside that oval to turn that off. You may have to enter in your computer password to unlock. And then you can select the Set button across from Date and Time, and then input the correct or desired date and time here. Select Set to confirm, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.